Hey Luna Gang! Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to be a basic bitch like me, please keep watching. Hey y'all, okay, let's get started. So first we're going to just use 5 products. Yep, that's right, 5 products. First we're going to start with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And we're just going to put that under our eyes, wherever we see dark spots. And then now we're going to just blend that out with our fingers. I just like to keep it very simple. Just blend that all out. Next we're going to use my Perfect Color Mineral Powder in color Toffee. And we're going to set wherever we put the concealer. Basically we're going to just put this all over the place. So we're going to focus on our T-zone area. Wherever you get really oily, make sure to put it all over there. Next is MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep. We're going to use this to contour. And we're also going to use it as an eyeshadow as well. And we're also going to use it to color correct our mustache area. Next is the CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara in the color Intense Black. And last but not least is NK Makeup Lip Gel. All done! So here's the finished basic bitch look. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below and let me know if you're Team Baddie or Team Basic. So we might as well show you the basic bitch outfit. Alright, bye!